Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Open your legs about the hip distance. Inhale as you exhale, forward bend. Hinge on your hips. And bend one knee and the other to do the elephant walk. Make sure to stretch back of your legs, hips, and lower back. And now walk your hands forward. To do downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. And from here, inhale as you exhale. Move your body like wave-like motion to the plank pose. And all the way to a little bit modified upper facing Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale as you exhale, go through the plank to downward. Deep inhale as you exhale, articulate your spine all the way to the upper facing. Inhale, exhale to downward facing. A couple of more times. Go through the plank to upper facing dog. Really try to articulate your spine. Create space in between each vertebra. Really try to stretch out the back of your body and as well as front. And lower your upper body. Let's take Sphinx pose. Make sure to roll your shoulders down and away from ears. And gaze drishti forward. And from here, a little bit more challenge. Stretch your arms. And press. Press up. And let's take 5 deep breaths here. Press your palms down. Crown reaching upward. Pull your shoulders away from ears. And deep inhale. As you exhale, slowly lower your upper body. And now from here, extend your arm, right arm extend behind. And press your left palms down. Inhale, left leg up and reach toward your right. And open your hip. Same time stretch your shoulders. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. Deep inhale, exhale for 2. As you exhale, slowly bring your leg back to center and look down. Now switch your arms. Now extend your left arm to the side. Place your right palms down underneath your shoulder. Inhale, exhale, right leg up and reach to your left. And open your hip, stretch your hip flexor. Inhale through the nose, out through the nose. And deep inhale as you exhale, slowly bring your legs down. Now, sending your tailbone to the heels and toes touch, open your knees about your mat distance and sit on your heels. And extend your arms, reach fingertips forward. Inhale as you exhale, forehead rest on the mat. Let's take Balasana, child pose. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!